Where do we come from, and how have humans evolved from prehistoric times to the modern humans we are today, adapting to the constantly changing environment over millions of years? The mysteries of all living creatures on Earth and how they came to be as they are today. The fossils discovered by archaeologists have partially helped us understand more. Let's explore together. Exploring the evolution of prehistoric times. Life on Earth, with all its diversity and richness today, is not the result of what we see now, but a long journey of evolution over millions of years. To understand this wonder, we need to go back in time, where the first steps of life marked the beginning of existence. The process of evolution of life in prehistoric times is not just a scientific story, but also a story of survival, adaptation, and constant change. The beginning of life. The first were microorganisms. The first life on this planet began with the simplest organisms, bacteria. About 3.5 billion years ago, Earth was still a barren planet, lacking oxygen and the complex living environments we have today. Everything began with single-celled organisms, bacteria, which could reproduce and survive in harsh conditions. The emergence of bacteria and other simple organisms laid the foundation for the later complex development of life. These bacteria mainly relied on energy from sunlight and minerals in the surrounding environment, opening the long journey of evolution that we cannot immediately see, but are the first steps of life. The Cambrian period and the biological revolution. Around 541 million years ago, the Cambrian period witnessed a remarkable biological revolution. This was a time when life exploded with the emergence of a variety of new animals, diverse in shape and body structure. Organisms with hard shells, such as mollusks and arthropods, first appeared and evolved. These creatures not only changed the structure of the oceans, but also created complex ecological foundations, driving the development of animals and plants. Survival battles in the seas led to significant changes in how species adapted and evolved, opening a new era for life on Earth. The evolution of animals onto land. As time passed, animals not only lived in the water, but also began to conquer dry lands. After millions of years, marine organisms began to adapt and evolve into vertebrates, and later into creatures that could move on land. This marked an important turning point in the history of life. Gigantic reptiles, especially dinosaurs, became the dominant life forms on Earth for millions of years. However, life continued to evolve, and new species kept emerging, each bringing new adaptations to the environment. From dinosaurs to humans. After the extinction of the dinosaurs around 65 million years ago, Earth entered a new phase. A phase where mammals and other creatures began to develop rapidly. From there, the evolution of primates created significant turning points. Primates continually developed intellect, survival skills, and environmental adaptation, opening the path that led to the emergence of humans. From our ancestors, humans began to develop their brains, communication abilities, and creativity, creating the first civilizations. This journey is not just the development of humans, but also the development of intellect, technology, and society. The long journey of evolution. The process of evolution from simple organisms to complex animals and humans is not just a story of survival, but also a journey full of challenges and creativity. Each species, each step, has meaning and plays a role in reshaping life on this planet. Although we have not yet uncovered all the mysteries of the past, through continuous research, we can get closer to the truth about the evolution of life. And from that, we will reflect on our present lives and ponder the future, as we too are part of this ongoing evolution. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please give me a subscription and a like.